Good morning, students. Now, today we have to learn two-digit subtraction with regrouping. Regrouping means borrow. Ones, tens. 34 means 4 ones, 3 tens. 27. 7 ones, 2 tens. 34 minus 27 is equal to how much? Let's find out. Now, 7 ones from 4 ones. So, students, we cannot subtract 7 ones from 6 ones. So, we'll borrowing 1 tens from tens columns. 3 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 2 tens. And 4 ones plus 1 tens is equal to 14. So, this 4 becomes 16. Now, we can subtract 7 ones from 14 ones. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Next, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, the number is only 7. So, 34 minus 27 is equal to 7. Let's solve this example. Ones, tens. 52 means 2 ones, 5 tens. 14. 14 means 4 ones, 1 tens. 52 minus 14 is equal to how much? Let's find out this example. 4 ones minus from 2 ones. 2 minus 4 is we cannot subtract. So, we'll borrowing tens from tens column. 5 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 4 tens. And 2 ones plus 1 tens is equal to 12. So, this 2 is become 16. Now, we can subtract 4 from 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, the number is 3 tens, 8 ones, 38. 52 minus 14 is equal to 38. Let's solve. We have to learn 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. Niki, borrowing. Ones, tens, 100. This is a 3-digit. 756 means 6 ones, 5 tens, 7 ones. 328 means 8 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds. So, 756 minus 328 is equal to how much? Let's find out. Now start with ones. 6 ones minus 8 ones. So, students, we cannot subtract 8 from 6 ones. So, we'll borrowing 1 tens from tens column. 5 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 4, and 6 ones plus 1 10 is equal to 16. So 8 ones from 16. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and 7 minus is equal to 4. This is the 400, 2 tens, 8 ones. So 556 minus 328 is equal to 428. Now let's solve this example. Ones, tens, 100. 3 ones, 4 tens, 800 means 843. 9 ones, 3 tens, 400. 439. 843 minus 439. So 3 minus 9. So students, we cannot subtract this. So will borrowing. So 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13, right? And 9 minus 13. 9. 4. 4. And 3 minus 3 is 0, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 hundreds, 1 tens, 4 ones. 800 and 43 minus 439 is equal to 444. So I hope you student you will understand properly. Okay, bye.